Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you my Finish Five by Christmas fail. Dun, 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 dun. Trying not to be upset that I did so bad. So this is a collab I do with Glam Mom, Jen, my best friend in the world. And back in September, she came to visit me. It was amazing. And we filmed a Finish 5 by Fall in my car, and some of these items were in that Finish 5 that I did not finish, and I considered that a fail. Oh guys, I just can't. Like, why do I suck at these? Normally I kill it. I like finish everything, but obviously I know what it is. I'm not going out, and when I do go out, I am not putting on like a ton of foundation, right? And even like lip products, like I'll put on my liquid lipsticks if I want to, but I'm not gonna put on lip gloss because it gets on your mask. It's just so much harder. So I need to rethink this because I would like to do like a birthday kind of, let's see if I can finish up a few things. Because my birthday's in January. I'll see if maybe Jen wants to do it too, because both of our birthdays are in January. Hers is mid-January, mine's at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. I could show you how badly I did. So anyway, I had the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Primer with SPF 50. I have used this, but not as much as I should. I feel like I'm down to like here, somewhere here. I'm not gonna throw it away. I am gonna use it. We'll see. So bad, guys. Totally didn't use up this Flower Beauty Honey Nude lipstick, although I use it, but again, I'm not using it and reapplying every day a lot. So there's that. My Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation, I have this in Natural Beige M1. Oh God, can I tell where I am with this? Okay, let's see. I feel like I actually didn't do too bad. That's where I was like before, like sometime in the summer, in July, when I wanted to finish it up. I think I'm like down here, so not bad considering. Also, when I put on foundation like I did today, I'll put like 1 or 2 small pumps of this, and then I add in this guy. Again, I did not do great, but I used a decent amount. But it's going. This is a product I love, the Soft Glow, the Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rhode Isle. I really like this. We got this in a FabFitFun. I do have a backup. I just like it because it keeps, I don't know, I feel like it helps my skin look a little like luminous and kind of like that glow from within kind of whatever look. But yeah, didn't do too great with that, guys. Now the lip products, I thought I was trying to use up this guy, so I was trying to use this a lot, but I went back and looked, and it's actually Brooke that I'm trying to use up. This is how much I have. This is how much I have left. Can you see there? Just like this amount right here. So not bad. And then this guy is, it was on its side, so I'm trying to, I feel like, yeah, I feel like this probably has the same amount. Good Lord. But I didn't finish anything. If I would not have used this so much, I would have used this up. But, you know, I think what I need to do is realize I am not going to finish a foundation in like a month, you know, so I'll still keep working on like my foundation, but probably not going to use it up. But these guys, I feel like I can finish these soon. I feel like this is just such a fail, guys. I mean, do you like my cozy sweater? I could call it a sweater, but it's really a pajama from Costco. Is anyone else trying to finish up makeup and you just can't? Like, what is going on? And I look at my makeup and I'm like, what the heck could I use? My concealer is gonna last, like, outlive me. Like, yeah, I can use my mascara. That's probably the only thing I can use up. I don't know what I could use up, guys. This is so frustrating. Comment down below. Please let me know I'm not the only one. But at the same time, it's like I like giving my skin like like letting it breathe, you know, and it's just nice. But this fail, this epic fail of a finish 5 by whenever, if I could finish 5 in a year, I feel great right now. When normally I crush it, I finish everything, but it's not happening. Also, I have less beauty products, so it's like, no, I feel like I should be finishing them even faster then. But anyway, that is it. Guys, I suck. I suck at this. Comment down below. Please let me know I'm not alone. Are you trying to finish anything? Is it like skincare, beauty, hair care, like lotions? What I really need to do, let's be honest, is finish the food in my cabinets and in my fridge and stop buying more food, stop throwing away food. But yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed and I made you feel more productive and better through my failure. I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Mwah.